Check out the comps on this Millennium set that I didn't pick up.
Kind of giving up golf for pickleball. You can see those on eBay for 150 bucks a piece.
Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. I actually just got back from North Carolina a few days ago where I had the opportunity to do something that I've kind of been wanting to do for quite some time. You see, there are these 55 plus active adult communities all across the nation. And I've always thought that they would be a great place to go picking, to go to garage sales, to find stuff that I could possibly flip online for a profit. I've always felt that possibly these folks were moving into smaller homes and downsizing and probably getting rid of a bunch of stuff. Well, lucky for me, while I was in North Carolina this past weekend, I spotted an ad for a neighborhood sale at one of these communities, so I decided to go. Check out what I found.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good yourself?
Doing good.
Good.
Enjoying this fall weather finally.
Yeah.
A little cooler.
Yeah, it's cooler.
You got 15 on the whole set here?
Yeah.
Consider them sold.
Okay.
How many more you want to get rid of?
No. Maybe next year. I've kind of given up golf for pickleball.
I was just telling them I'm always on the hunt for golf clubs.
No golf
They're
clubs.
pretty easy to spot though.
No, yeah, this was my aunt's home and she didn't golf.
Right.
Yeah, golf, people always are like, sports stuff or tools, right?
Yeah.
There's a camera in there.
Yeah, I was just looking at this old 35 millimeter. I love them.
I was just saying I like your key.
Oh, appreciate it.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. We love it too.
I like that. That color's sharp.
You didn't see it.
Oh, it's ceramic silver, which is
Yeah.
not really silver, but close enough. Y'all doing okay?
Yeah, we're doing well. Good
Good.
morning. Yeah, I like the heels in it. Every time I see them on the road, I'm like,
Anything in particular you're looking for?
I'm always on the hunt for golf clubs.
They're lefties though.
Are they?
Yeah.
That's fine.
That's a putter. Those are two hybrids.
I'm gonna grab these two hybrids and that putter from you. Guys aren't getting rid of any golf clubs, are you?
Oh no.
that was the last yard sale.
I understand.
Oh, now the rain is really coming. Tom, I think we're gonna do. I don't know. Please? Or I could move some of this inside, but.
I'm gonna grab two of your sets here. Real quick, this couple was selling DVD box sets for $2 a piece, and I just kind of picked out a few. I don't know much about DVDs. I ended up with this Game of Thrones set that's already sold for $45, and then this Lovejoy, like the complete series box set. And I've never heard of Lovejoy, but I do know that these BBC video sets tend to do pretty well. But also one of the downfalls of editing these videos is finding out what I missed. Check out the comps on this Millennium set that I didn't pick up.
Morning.
Morning, how are y'all?
Oh, you brought the sun?
I brought it with me.
Yeah. It must be following you around.
Hey, I wish it did.
If it stays out a few minutes longer, I'll put the stuff outside. Kevin's dad has not been good. He's not very nice. Is it since he's sick or a week? Well, then why did they put up with that? It's just a good year. But they're taking care of him. Okay, so. For the $2 for the set.
That's just too cool.
It's almost like an antique.
Yeah. Especially with the pants too.
Yeah.
$2 you said, I'll take it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Morning, how are y'all?
Fine, you?
Doing good.
The buffer guy. You need
Yeah,
more?
yeah.
We have some, irons over here.
Oh yeah? Oh, I see them.
Yeah. And
Gotcha.
shoes.
A little bit of everything, huh?
Oh, yes. No?
Excuse me.
Hey, Dave, your ladder is sold.
What? What do you mean? We sold it.
What do you mean? This lady from up the street came down and she said she needed a ladder and she
So you
gave
walked
me
it up the
$10 and she walked it up the street.
Well, I didn't even see her take it.
And
You were busy, fishing and.
And he's the security guard.
Yeah.
I'll get this one from you.
All right.
Well, we're gonna be, like, trying to be before 5.
Can you
Yeah. Yeah, and then,
Where?
yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, yeah, and so if you
Where?
can do, I mean, 5:30 or something like that should be okay. But at 5:30, we're going out,
and
it's gonna be some,
then
and then we'll
9
be
by
back tomorrow morning, whatever time you want to come. Yes, mine.
You want both of
Yeah,
them?
absolutely.
What?
Julia.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Thanks. Yeah, so just text me when you're on the way. We're up early. Yes, everything on these shelves. Yes, everything there, but nothing back there. Cameras? Yes, the cameras are for sale. How much? They're $20 each.
And the tripod?
Yeah, that'd be $5.
45 for both?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Morning.
Morning, how are y'all?
How much are you asking on your clubs?
Well, look at them and just, I want to sell them, so, just
I have no
Give me-
idea.
if you want them all for that tailor-made putter and this ping putter over here, those
Uh-huh.
things, you can see those on eBay for $150 a piece.
Jeez.
And you can have everything, give me $50 and you can have it all,
For everything.
including these putters right here. And the short iron,
I'm missing them. Where are they?
that Cleveland.
Oh, right here.
That Cleveland wedge right there, you'd pay $150 for that wedge.
Copper.
That ping putter is an antique collectible now. You can see them on eBay from anywhere from $40 to $150. That's a Karsten cushion, very well documented ping model.
So 50 for everything, huh?
Sure. I paid that Big Bertha driver. I probably paid $350 for that one. I bought it. It's brand new, just used a couple, it's a double mantle. So you
Mhm.
just order a package of 6, on eBay or hardware store, you can get 6 mantles for $1 or $2 and she's ready to go.
How about 50 for the clubs and the lantern? $5 off.
Sure.
All right, so do you guys think he was trying to pull one over on me, or do you think he actually thought his clubs were worth that much? Leave me a comment and let me know. But either way, I've been doing this for quite some time. I knew they weren't worth that much. There's definitely some money to be made there, and I thought that if I could get the lantern thrown in, that would at least cover half the cost of what I was paying. So certainly not the biggest score that I've ever had, but still some profit to be made here.
Yeah, that's,
Good morning.
that's
Good
the
morning.
problem.
How are you?
Doing well.
And you
Good.
can't return it. No.
Unfortunately.
Yep, shop vac.
The whole bag?
The hoses should be inside, I think, Dave. They should be.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Good.
Gotta love a good Santa Claus.
Yeah.
How much are your ornaments?
They're done.
Donna, how much are your ornaments?
Ornaments, what did I do? I put something 50 cents each or whatever.
Oh, I see it now. I'm totally
What-
blind. I'm sorry.
Well, no, it's kind of small.
I
Yeah,
meant to bring everything in because it started raining.
Right.
that's why it's kind of crowded in here.
Stuff and now we have to get rid of all.
Those are like brand new.
Yeah, I think I got to get those for my daughter.
Yeah.
I just literally bought a brand new pair. And
Yeah.
they were a lot more than $5.
Exactly.
I paid $160 for
Yeah,
those.
yeah, they're crazy. How much would you do for the whole box of ornaments? I think they're cool.
Oh, give me $5. How's
You're
that?
gonna make me take them home. All right, owe you $5 and then owe you $5. So of course my daughter didn't like the Hokas or they didn't fit right or something. Either way, I'm kind of used to that by now. You guys have seen the videos. But either way, I'll take them and sell them on eBay, make a few dollars. And then I also should not have bought this box of Christmas ornaments. I was thinking maybe the shiny ones, like these, would be Radco or Old World Christmas. But yeah, they're not. They're just simple made in China ornaments. But I only paid $5 for the box. Definitely got an education on them. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.